Hello everyone, over here from Kearys BMW and Mini in Little Island, County Cork. Today I'm here with this 2020 BMW 520d. This is a 2-litre diesel engine. The specific model is sitting on 18-inch alloy wheels. It does have the LED headlights with park distance control as well as active pedestrian safety. Beautiful front kidney grille here, finished in the chrome surround. The interior of this vehicle is finished in a beautiful beige leather with contrasting stitching, as well as fully electronic seats. BMW iDrive with fluid Bluetooth connectivity for Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay. 2-zone climate control as well as heated seats. Of course, automatic transmission with different driving modes. Parking sensors, auto hold as well as electronic handbrake, and of course your navigation. Multifunctional steering wheel as well as ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. Overall, quite a beautiful and well insulated cabin. For any further inquiries, please give us a ring at 021 500 3600. Thank you.